We've all been there. You are at work and there's a brainstorming session going on. You are abroad and there's a business matching event. You are a student and there's a lecture going on. Or you are a content creator thinking about ideas for your next vlog episode. Look, we're trying to stay present, but half our energy is spent writing down notes, and if you are like me, it only takes a couple of minutes before my brain starts drifting away. Our attention spans are different. Personally, I just don't have the ability to multitask anymore, as I tend to easily get distracted by the things I hear versus the notes I have taken. The notes are important, but remembering what I heard is absolutely necessary to fully get immersed. Enter the Plaud Note Pro. It's an impossibly thin, credit card-sized AI voice recorder. It may just be a game changer to completely eliminate manual note-taking. Okay, so I already have a smartphone with a working mic, so why on earth would I spend money on a device to do something that my phone can already do? So we're gonna check out this product, do some actual tests, and find out if the Plaud Note Pro is worth a shot. So sit back, relax, subscribe to the channel, and let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Inside the box is pretty straightforward, and here it is, in space gray. Now I've seen this product on the internet before, photos and videos, and I found it to be really small. But in person, I really am impressed and surprised by just how small it is. Look at it, it's really thin too and obviously very light. Here are some comparisons just for you to get just how small this is. This is the charger contacts, the display screen, and your one-touch button. That's pretty much it. Now we flip this side open, and it's really neat that they also included the MagSafe sleeve in the packaging. Let's take a look. They also included a magnetic ring if your phone or your case doesn't have one. Just stick it at the back of your device, and you can forget about it.
Forget about it. Forget about it.
Holy, forget about it.
And it adds virtually no weight at all. It looks great on my phone. It's giving professional vibes. Gen Z. It's pretty handy too when it comes to voice call recording. The Plaud Note Pro is packed with 64 gigs of internal memory, and it can hold about 480 hours worth of recording. Like you can record for about 3 weeks before reaching its limit. That's insane. And the battery? This can get you up to 14 hours of non-stop recording on a single charge cycle. So if you have about a full day of recording to do, you're pretty much good to go. And to talk about charging 0 to 100%, it only takes about a couple of hours. But overall, yeah, it looks pretty great. But does it perform well? Let's find out. I recently went to Korea for a meeting and I brought this device with me. And with their permission, I was able to record our entire meeting, and I was confident enough to let the Plaud Note Pro take down notes of our conversation while we went on our meeting. And at the end of the day back at the hotel, I was able to listen to the recap of everything we've tackled and will be ready to discuss at the office back here in the Philippines. As a tech reviewer or a content creator, I have several ideas that pop up from time to time. What I used to do was take out my phone, go to my Notes app, and write my ideas there. But now I find it easier because now, all I gotta do is press this button, let my thoughts flow, and when the time comes that I'm ready to execute my idea, I just read the conveniently summarized flow of thoughts and I'll be ready to shoot faster than I realize. Here's the next idea for the next tech review. Review a gaming desk and randomly put on the Kylo Ren mask and just go from there. Okay, so you're done recording, you want to listen to it. All you gotta do is open your Plaud Note app, and once it's synced to your device, it automatically organizes your files and you get clear summaries of your recordings. This is very helpful because you have the privilege of not having to go through your entire recordings. You have a very convenient search feature that you can use to look for the key points of what you need, and you can go from there. Now check this out. It automatically identifies different speakers, and you can rename them and edit the identifiers and highlights on this app. And it's amazing that you can browse through different timelines of your recordings and jump straight ahead and listen at certain points. Now this is kind of a gray area, but switching over to phone call mode to be able to record your calls and other conversations. Now, for whatever reason you may have to use this feature, I'm not gonna judge. But speaking on a security-wise perspective, this feature eliminates the risk of downloading sketchy third-party apps that may harm your device. But yeah, this is perfect for work-related calls. And there you go. I love just how portable this is. Stick it to your phone, hold it in your hands, place it right in front of you, and everything will be recorded at the touch of a button. No other apps to open your phone, no pen, no paper, no other gadgets. Just like I said, just press the button and you're good to go. Then later on, the app organizes your stuff and you can recap everything and process whenever you need to. I asked earlier why we need this device when our phone can already record stuff. Well, after trying it out for a few sessions and enjoying the benefits of its AI integration, and realizing just how much this device will make my work easier, and I look at my phone's past recordings over the years that I completely forgot because it already drowned out in hundreds and hundreds of files, I realized that having a dedicated piece of hardware to be my assistant is something that I didn't know that I'll need. And all these features and more for just the low price of 12,399 pesos? Well, the Plaud Note Pro is worth a shot. You can get your very own Plaud Note Pro on the links down below. Now with your purchase out of the box, you get a free starter plan membership. That means you get 300 free minutes of AI transcription every month, access to GPT-40 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet for summarization. In fact, I find this device extremely useful that I will go ahead right now and avail the Pro membership plan. The Pro membership plan includes 1,200 transcription minutes per month. That's 4 times the starter plan. You also get Ask Plaud. That's the interactive AI chat feature to ask specific questions about your recordings. You also get 30+ specialized industry templates. You can use it for law, medicine, tech, and creative fields, the professional templates. I know that it's worth it because I'll be using this device more and more for work and content creation. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. This is Jordan. Stay safe, everyone. Peace out.